Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make garlic butter spinach in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so in my pot here I have some butter and a little of the light olive oil, and I will be pouring my spinach in here. First you want to add some garlic, and I will show you how I chop this garlic. And you want to saute the garlic in the oil and the butter. In my pot, I'm using minced garlic, and this is how I mince my garlic, but you can use a knife to finely chop it as well, anyone you rather. I just happen to have this mincer, so I'm using it to mince the garlic. So this is the spinach I'll be making, and I will be making this in less than 5 minutes, and I want to show you how I make it. So now I'll be adding my spinach. Now that the garlic is sauteed, I'll be adding my spinach, and this spinach is already washed. As you can see here, it's filling up the pot, but you want to wait for a little bit to add the rest of it. So while it's steaming, you want to turn it over, and I have my stove on medium heat so that it's not overdone too fast. And after this is done, I'm gonna put season on it, but I don't want to season it while it's making. This will be done in less than 5 minutes. Okay, we're just steaming it. So in about 2 minutes, this was done in 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like after it's steamed. I will be adding season to this. It's almost finished now. Okay, so this is what your spinach should look like after it's 3/4 of the way, and I will be adding some season. This is garlic powder, and I will be adding some black pepper, and this is onion powder. You want to add a little salt, and I will be adding a little more butter to it. And after this is melt, then I will remove it from the stove. This will melt in 30 seconds. Okay everyone, and please remember to subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. Okay, so our spinach is all done now, and this is what it looks like after it's done. Let's put it in this bowl, and then I'll show you. And this was done in less than 5 minutes, guys. Super healthy, super yummy, smells really good with those garlic. Okay guys, so this is what the spinach looks like after it's done, and this was done in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also hit the notification button. Whenever I do a video, you can see. Thanks, bye.